For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The JPNK Blackhead Remover Tool Comedone's Extractor Kit is a reliable tool I personally started using after a recommendation from a skincare specialist I follow online. It's a 6-piece set that helped me clear out blackheads and small blemishes without causing redness or leaving marks, something I used to struggle with when using cheap extractors. These tools are made from stainless steel, which matters a lot because it helps avoid skin infections and is super easy to sanitize. I always clean the tools with alcohol before and after using them, just like dermatologists recommend. Each tool serves a specific purpose, and I've learned over time which one works best for my nose, forehead, and chin. Honestly, it took me just a few uses to feel confident with them. What really stands out is the anti-slip handle design. If you've ever tried using slick tools with wet hands, you know how tricky it can be. This design gives solid grip and better control, which helped me avoid pushing too hard or slipping, something that caused minor scarring in the past when I wasn't careful. The set comes packed in a leather carrying case, and I've taken it with me during travel without any hassle. It's small, clean, and easy to store. I even let my cousin borrow it once during a weekend trip, and she ended up ordering her own the next day. Just a heads up, it's important to know how to use these tools correctly. I watched a quick tutorial by a certified esthetician, and it made a huge difference. If you're unsure, there are plenty of videos from trusted skincare professionals that explain everything step by step. What I really appreciate is that the company encourages questions. I reached out about best practices for tool disinfection, and they got back to me within a day with helpful, clear instructions. If you want a practical, effective kit to keep your skin clear, especially for blackheads and whiteheads, this one is definitely worth trying. Just take your time learning how to use it safely and you'll start seeing real results like I did.